I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Peapod app not working. First, check if Peapod is down by visiting isitdownrightnow.com or downforeveryone or justme.com. Then force close and reopen the app to refresh its connection. Update the app to the latest version via the App Store or Google Play. Next, clear the app cache and data in your device settings to remove potential glitches. Restart your device to resolve temporary system issues. Now, check your internet connection to ensure stable connectivity. Disable VPN or proxy settings that might interfere with the app's operation. Next, uninstall and reinstall the app to fix persistent problems. Contact Peapod customer service at 1-800-573-2763 or email info@peapod.com for further assistance.